Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we empower you with the knowledge to make smart financial decisions that transform your life. Here, we are dedicated to unraveling the complexities of finance, making it accessible and actionable for everyone. Understanding the stakes of each financial decision is crucial in paving the way to a secure and prosperous future. Today, we're peeling back the layers on the 3 best decisions you can make to ensure that future. Stay tuned as we dive into these life-altering choices. Now let's explore the 3 best decisions you can make to ensure your financial well-being. First up, imagine this. The earlier you begin to invest, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compound interest. Compound interest, often called the 8th wonder of the world, works by earning interest on your interest. And over time, this can significantly amplify your wealth. Consider a scenario where a person starts investing at the age of 25 compared to another who begins at 35. The difference by the time each reaches retirement could be several $100,000, if not more. This isn't just about saving, it's about making your money work for you over the long haul. Moving on to the second crucial decision. It's not the most thrilling task, but having a clear and detailed budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you control your spending, save more, and avoid the common pitfall of living beyond your means. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify unnecessary expenditures and optimize your savings. For instance, by cutting back on spontaneous purchases and allocating funds towards savings or investments, you could save a substantial amount each month. Over time, these savings accumulate, creating a significant financial buffer and opening up more opportunities for financial freedom. Lastly, let's talk about in today's rapidly changing economy, the most valuable asset you have is your ability to adapt and enhance your skills. Investing in education and skill development not only prepares you for the evolving job market, but can also lead to higher earnings and better job opportunities. Whether it's pursuing higher education, learning new technologies, or acquiring specialized skills, continuous learning is a cornerstone of long-term career success and financial stability. Implementing these decisions can dramatically change your financial landscape. Start today for a brighter tomorrow. Embracing these 3 decisions can set the foundation for a financially secure and prosperous life. Let's quickly recap. Investing early maximizes the power of compound interest. Creating a budget helps you track and control your spending. Continuously learning ensures you stay ahead in an ever-evolving economic landscape. Apply these strategies to carve out a path toward financial freedom. Reflect on how these steps can transform your approach to money management. Thank you for watching Financial Literacy. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips to secure your financial future. Start making smart decisions today.